video. Hello everyone, it's me again, Ken XAdventurer, your virtual tour guide. Okay, so today we got a very special adventure. An adventure where this will be a game changer for me here in Hong Kong and also to our channel. So wait for the surprise. I'm so excited for this. And also we're at Lang Kwai Fong right now, heading to the place where we need to go to meet up someone. And I was at the lesson earlier. And here, if you've been here already, comment it down below if you're familiar or if you've been to this place. This is how this place looks like during daytime. And I'm just so excited today. Well, I just finished my lesson earlier, and I have another lesson at 5, and it's already 3:48 right now. So hopefully we still can make it. And so we're using Insta360 OneX2 right now with wireless Rode Go 2. Here's the transmitter at negative 27 dB, and we may add some volume or gain during the edit. Okay, so look what I have here. So maybe you already have an idea what we have for this channel. This should help me a lot for this. Oh, so hot. And these are the bikes that we have here. Different CCs, C-Max, and a lot of bikes. Big CC bikes. And MT-07 over there. Oh, a good looking bike, very muscly. Thank you. Okay. we got the Kymco AK550. I'm very happy we have this bike already, guys. Now I just covered my helmet because it was open earlier. We're going to Stanley, and I have to say, guys, this is such a strong bike. It's amazing how this drives. My bike there in the Philippines is it's a Raider 150, and now what we have here is a 550cc bike scooter, but such a powerful bike. Anyway, they call this a Maxi scooter, but anyway, this is very beautiful. I like it so much. I hope this will be very helpful. I don't know how much they're selling there in the Philippines. This bike, I think it's around 600 again. Last year, or no, 2 years ago or last year, they sold this 50,000 pesos less. And look, I mean, for a 550cc for this price, it's a very good price already. Our mission, guys, is when we're driving, is just follow the leader. We cannot gamble that much because it's quite dangerous, because we still have the learner's license here in Hong Kong for a few years already, failed few times, but I cannot wait anymore. The good thing is, if you have the learner's license, you can already drive, but a lot of restrictions, like you cannot just drive anywhere. Like for me, the road that we are following now is totally fine, because it is acceptable to drive around this side. Yeah. Woohoo! We're here at the gap now. This is the Wong Nai Chung Gap, and this is where we will be working tomorrow until 11. It's very comfortable. Look, I'm not allowed to go all the way to 70 or 50. I mean, it's not written in the rule book, but I'm just gonna make sure that we're safe, and that's where we're gonna go tomorrow. Okay, guys, we're here back in Ripples Bay. Okay, there you go. And here, this is the road going to South Bay. And for us now, we're gonna go straight, because we're going to Taitam, and this is 127. I was approached here, but not as of the moment, because they got a problem with their court, so we got less lessons for now, but it's okay. There's 4:35 right now, and my lesson is at 5. Hopefully everything will be okay. So we just need to follow this car. And look at the view, guys. I'm not sure if you can see the view from here. I think you'll be covered a little bit. That's Stanley, and such a beautiful place, I tell you. Rhino Rock on our right, and here is the Twins. We already hiked this side, the very tiring one. Yeah, that one. I wonder if we can go in. We should be able to. And there's a tennis court on our left, which is not often used, which is a sad sight because we don't have enough courts here in Hong Kong. here at the beach. And there should be a motorcycle parking area here. Oh, what? Motorcycle parking on that side. Ah, not really. Tennis, Tapo. Yeah, thank you.